उधर बॉम्बे स्टॉक एक्सचेंज के माहिरीन के मुताबिक आम बजट में कुछ खास नहीं होगा। वहीं ज़रूरी क़वानीन से मुतालिक जारी रस्साकशी पर माहिरीन ने तशवीश का भी इजहार किया।
This time we should not expect a lot from the finance minister because this is the pandemic time and the government has spent a lot in the social sector for the particularly health sector where there was a lot of need and it was taken care by the government of India. I think they have sanctioned so much amount for health care, foods and everything. So there is a lot of gap. So we are looking around there would be deficit from the corona side around 2 lakh crore. So if that is maintained, then I think there is no need for the further taxes.
The farm laws which were brought in were good, productive, but there are some issues which should be sorted out immediately, and maybe it comes up like Amul, the cooperative movement, which is win-win for everyone. So I expect government to do something on that.